At ngayon naman nandito tayo sa Penang, Malaysia, kaya samahan niyo ako, explore natin yung labas at kung ano makikita natin dito. So first time namin, so wala tayong alam kung saan tayo pupunta, kaya hanap tayo ng mga kasama sa labas. Dabali mag-isa lang ako lumabas, hindi ko alam kung sino makakasama ko, so samahan niyo ako, let's go.
Do they accept dollars or maybe he's waiting there? Because what is it? White club. White frame.
At may nakasama ako, di bali apat, kaya pupunta kami ng mall. So tingnan natin kung ano makikita natin at kung anong itsura ng mall nila dito. At bago tayo pumunta ng mall, check natin kung ano makikita natin sa daan.
Nasi Padang lah.
Nasi Padang. Ayun sana ada. Itu bus stop nya bawah. Itu Pelangi Mall nya bus stop.
Oh di mall ya.
Di mall yang mau kita ke sana nih.
Nah. Ini Coffee Tree lagi depan.
Kopi banyak, ada kopi di Bali.
Hah?
Di Bali kan.
Indonesia pun datang sini beli yo.
Kopi.
Nah.
Ya, ini yang kopi. Jarang kopi. Ya. Itu Mindanao, right? Let us.
Malaysia, Indonesia nearby?
Yeah, we have same island also with this one. Same. We have border.
You go by flight 40 minutes only.
Ah,
By road? No road? Not far.
the one. The girls. Si Luffy ada kan sup Bali na di ba? Parang
One time.
hey Rajesh, send me the video later. I
No.
don't want to take video.
It will cost $10.
Yeah, make your own.
Make your own video. That's it.
Shit. Why you so rude, brother?
Then it's not your place, huh?
Okay. Yeah.
After two Kingfisher,
It's not Cochin also.
you told me. You told me no. After two Kingfisher, hey, come to Bali. I will take care everything.
Of course, brother, come to Bali.
I will
I
come.
will
Man.
hang your neck there.
There, see.
You're not coming back to your country. Oh, this is the mall now? Or not yet?
Right, the mall. That's interesting.
This is the one? Yeah, ito, King.
You walk through only on the top. You can go 3 mall. This one, the what? Skywalk. Yeah. Skywalk 68 floor.
68th floor?
68 floor. This one Skywalk.
Wow. So, this one is 3 different mall.
3 mall. Rangi Mall, First Avenue, Komta. This one is Komta.
Okay, but you come in the evening. I will take for you.
I will not give. I will stay here.
Don't drink today.
I will stay here, brother.
So you can see here all phone shop.
Yeah.
At nakababa na nga tayo at ayan ang itsura ng labas niya. Sabi parang nasa Pilipinas lang ako. Parehas lang. Pakiramdam ko nasa Pilipinas lang ako. Yung mall nila halos parehas lang sa Pinas. At ngayon magpapapalit mo tayo ng pera nila para makakain tayo. Kasi ayaw nilang tumanggap ng dollar. Thank you. Kakain na tayo at titingin tayo kung anong pwedeng kainin at susubok tayo ng Malaysian food. So, ayan, sobrang daming choices nila. At mura din na.
Nice food.
At ito ang napili kong kainin. Kaya let's go guys, kain na tayo.
May problem yung the ship. I don't know.
At pabalik na rin kami at wala kami masyadong napuntahan. So, ngayon ay bibili na lang muna tayo ng magnet bago bumalik ng barko. So, thank you for watching guys.